How to remember to write thank you notes. In another post on this blog, Tom Peters talks about the importance of writing thank you notes. You'll find a link to it in the body of this post. As you read it, you may agree with the sentiment, yet in our busy day-to-day lives, we may not think about it. At least we don't think about it when we're seated with a blank note card in front of us. Let's change all of that. Let's structure a system where we do think about it. Furthermore, let's structure a system which causes us to think about it at a time when we're sitting down with a blank note card in front of us. It does not get any more convenient than that. This idea actually came from a workshop participant. As we talked about the tickler file and its various uses, this participant raised her hand. She explained she had been using the tickler file for some time. Like many of us, she wanted to get better about writing thank you notes. Like many of us, it just never happened. So she explained what happened. One January day, she took 52 blank note cards, one for each week of the year. She scattered them through her tickler file. She had structured a system that caused a blank note card to pop up once each week. That was her trigger to stop and use that blank note card to thank somebody for something. She was already sitting down at her desk. She had the blank note card in front of her. Now all she had to do was write the note. I suspect people begin to think of her as a more thoughtful, more appreciative person. Actually, she was just as thoughtful and appreciative to start with. All she needed was a system to help her let the qualities show. If it worked for her, maybe it could work for you. What do you think about this time management tactic? Come over to the blog post and let me know in the comments. This has been Frank Buck. Thanks for listening. Now go and make today count.